It would be quite the crime for any military video to not include a clip from Mother Russia, starting with one that proves those guys are superhuman.
Ага, может, еще, блядь, без рук можешь, нахуй.
Слабо.
Монстр, блядь. Без рук.
Meanwhile, the Swedish army has actually been making a lot of appearances on Amazing Life 24/7 lately. Let's see how they spend their free time. Finally, if you've ever fantasized about Grand Theft Auto in real life, think no further because this guy has already done it.
Knows for sure what he was trying to do, but the theory is that he was heading for government buildings in downtown San Diego.
The scary part was that it was obvious that the suspect was familiar with the tank.
There's a tank in my street. It drove through it. I mean, it demolished it.
It was my van. Yeah, he pushed it all the way down here. He wanted to do it. He saw it in his eyes. He was having a good time, so.